Hello, traders. Leah here from Trading Mindset and Data, TMAT. So today I'm going to talk about our scanner, about the overall market, and do a quick recap on our trades. So SPX did not manage to get above the 6207 level. We have 6184 as a support for yesterday. If we break this, 6149 is the next one. Market is a little bit vulnerable today. It's a little bit weak. We had a JPM collar expiring on Monday, on the 30th, which was like 51,400 contracts. It was like a 1 billion positive gamma that was kind of holding the market until then. And we don't have that support right now. So also we have a short week. Thursday, the market is only open half of the day, and Friday, the market is closed. So a lot of people are on a vacation. We could just see some choppiness. Of course, a lot of weird stocks are trading pretty well, which is a sign that the big fish is on a vacation. And we had some great trades on Iran this week, almost 46% since we posted. We're still having pretty good flow. Cipher is another one that we have just hitting the targets in pre-market now. It's even above the target now. We have CNG, Chipotle Mexican also almost at our target. We've been in XLK for a while. We have trailed stops. We opened QB yesterday. We'll see how this one goes. And Zeta is a little bit choppy still, but we are in this one as well. So how do we find these stocks? We have a customized scanner that helps us with that. And I want to talk about the scanner now because it took a long time to build it, and it's us and our traders in our Discord to find the highest probability trades. Of course, nothing is immune to news. When there are bad news, things move. We can't predict that, but most of the time, the scanner is showing us basically where the big money is going, the flow, and I want to talk about just exactly that right now. So I want to talk about volatility skew and why it matters. So volatility skew is showing the difference in implied volatility between out of money calls and puts with the same expiry. All right. So that gives us a quick view of where risk is building, gamma, and how traders are positioned. In our worksheet, you can see here intraday flow, colored strong volumes. So in our worksheet, intraday flow column together with the out of money skew help us spot where the option activity is concentrated, right? Here is out of money skew. Here is the intraday flow. So for example, on Tuesday, selling on IOW, and this is usually bullish sign. When you trade options, you know that put selling, call buying is bullish, call selling, and put buying is bearish. Okay, this is the basics you have to know when you trade options. So you can see here on IW1, there is a demand, put selling, it's all in purple. Option sentiment, reading intraday market behavior. Option sentiment gives a deeper look into trader behavior by using realized volatility and put-call ratio. So it's right here, okay? So for example, on XHP down here, it's home builders. We see FOMO sentiments, medium skew call hedged, flows, and very low put to call ratio, 0.09, right down here. What does it mean? And after Powell hinted that there might be earlier rate cut, of course, traders rushed into real estate stocks because they're going to benefit. It's a clear shift in sentiment. They're going to benefit from lower interest rate. So stealth bull bear signals show option selling activity, usually done by smart money due to margin required. So IWN and DIA both show strong put selling, which gives us a clear stealth bull signal. So you can see here in purple, right? It's also the put selling, clear stealth, right? Stealth bull. That's our specialty, the stealth bull, right? When you see stealth bull, you know what to do. Anyways, demand and supply right next to it. Market makers are in action. That's what it means. Once we identify trader sentiment and gamma buildup, we look at delta hedging from market makers. It forces market makers to buy stocks. This creates demand, all right? Call selling and put buying, as I already mentioned, is a bearish activity that does exactly the opposite. It creates supply. So on major ETFs, only institutions or hedge funds can drive volumes above average. So this is a strong clue about smart money behavior. So that's our scanner. We have it in our Discord every morning. There is an update on ETFs. There's an update on individual stocks that are special, or there's a special behavior. And we then take this information and try to find the best charting setups for you so we can create a proper risk to reward trades, right? We are not going to just blindly buy everything on the scanner. We go through all those ideas and we chart them for you. We create high probability trades with entry in the green, stop loss, targets, and that's pretty much how we do it. And also we have, of course, every morning a quant data on the SPX level. So as I already mentioned for today, on the SPX, it's good to have a roadmap. If you trade SPX, you can totally trade short and long on the SPX based on the levels that they give you. They are pretty accurate. And yeah, that's what TMAT is. We have also support of the mods and more. Check us out. Have a great day and good luck trading. And remember, this week is not a week to make a lot of money because it's choppy week, short week, and it's better to maybe take some time off. Good luck. See ya. Bye.